Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of 0 to a Million. This is episode 7 now, and in this episode, we're going to be doing deliveries. So I signed up for Uber Eats and Postmates. I'm going to be doing deliveries on both apps simultaneously to maximize the amount of deliveries we get. We're going to use one full gas tank, which is around 350 to 400 miles, and we'll see how much money we can get out of that whole tank. Alright, so first things first, we need to get some gas. And I'm going to fill up the full tank, and we're going to use this tank solely on deliveries. I want to see how much money we can get out of the full tank. Alright, so basically $31 for the full tank. So we have to make back at least $31 to be positive in our ROI, and we'll see just how much money we can get out of those $31. Alright guys, so we got our first delivery, and we're going to Steak and Shake right now. It's pouring. So I mean, I guess that's a good thing because people are going to stay inside and want to order more for delivery. Secured the bag, now it's time to go deliver it. So we just delivered it, and that's a whopping $3.91, $4 in a span of 10 minutes. I'm a different breed. We got another delivery with Uber Eats. We're going to Sushi King right now. We just finished the last one, so no time wasted, let's go. And we just got another delivery on Postmates, so I'm doing 2 deliveries at the same time. We got the Jersey Mike's, now we're on our way to pick up the other order of food. Alright, so we picked up the food. Alright, so we delivered the first order of the Jersey Mike's. We got a whopping $3.21. We're almost millionaires, basically. And now we're running to deliver the second order. Made $3.17 on that second delivery. I mean, I'm ready to put a down payment on a house right now. $5 for that last delivery. It took a while actually. Now let's not forget that also on top of these deliveries, we're getting tips. And those tips I'm going to calculate at the end of the day, and the tips add a lot actually. Like $3 for a delivery is nothing. But if you add before $5 tip, you know, it's like an $8 delivery that took you 15 minutes to do. So always remember to tip your drivers. Okay, so we got another double delivery. We got the Chipotle. And right now we're picking up some Starbucks, so I guess we're serving some white girls right now. Okay, so that's it for day 1. I ended up working around 8 hours, and I added the totals up. And keep in mind, the tips update usually later in the day, a couple hours after. So maybe this isn't the final price, but my total for the day today in 8 hours was $127 in 8 hours. That's almost around $16 an hour average, which is not bad actually. If you're considering something that you can do whenever you want, you don't have a schedule, a time schedule where you have to clock in or whatever. You just kind of do it whenever you want. $16 an hour is pretty good, to be honest. Now obviously all the expenses of, you know, the actual car and the wear and tear and the oil change and the tires and the brakes and, you know, all the wear and tear on the car and the miles that you're adding onto it, it adds up. Yes, we are not even halfway through the tank and we already made 4 times our money. That's a pretty good return on investment. Today was a Thursday night. It wasn't like a Friday or Saturday night where it's usually busy. But let's say you do average 130 a night and you work for 7 days out of the week, 8 hours each day. I mean, it's a lot, but you'd be pulling in around $800 to $900 a week and around $3,000 a month, which is not too bad for a delivery job, honestly. Let's say you buy a junky car for like $2K. Within 1 month, you pay it back, and then the rest is pure profit, you know? As promised, we're gonna finish this tank out and see just how much money we can get with the $30 that we put in gas. But so far, it's proven to be a really good side hustle. Okay, so although this video is supposed to be about deliveries, we still have that pressure washing company, and we still have jobs throughout the week. And this is just a couple recap of the jobs that we did this week. Job done, we got paid $125 for it. This is a before and after of another job, and we got paid $150 for it. We made 70 on that driveway. For this job, we got paid $180, and just look at the difference of this video. And then if you guys remember Jim's the one that lent us the pressure washer. He wanted us to do his house as well, and so we did that. So Jim was nice enough to pay us $205 for the whole thing. So we're on day 3 of deliveries, and you can see we're low on the mileage, just 80 miles to go. It's a Wednesday night right now, and look what I'm bagging right now. I got some Wendy's, some Chick-fil-A, and some Applebee's. So we're doing 3 deliveries at one time. So as you guys can see, we finished the tank. In total, the last 2 days we've been doing deliveries, we made $120.71 as shown here, which gives us a total of $248.21. So basically $250 with a $30 investment. That's $220 pure profit. Overall, it's a really easy side hustle that you could do, and you can pull in, like I said, $800 to $900 a week doing this. That being said, we've made it to $3,000 in the channel, and the next thing we're gonna buy is a new pressure washer, our own pressure washer finally, a 4,000 PSI, 4 gallon a minute Simpson pressure washer with a Honda GX 390 machine. Trust me, I've been doing so much research about all of this. To think I started a company of pressure washing without ever holding a pressure washer before, it's crazy. We've come a long way. Next episode, we're gonna be doing something different, another way to make money, but also of course keep on running that pressure washing business and keep upgrading it and reinvesting money into it and growing it more and doing more marketing. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe, share with your friends. It takes so much time and effort to make these videos, and the more we blow up, the more money that can come in from YouTube ad revenue. Everyone, please stay safe out there, and as always, happy investing.